we will discuss about AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So what is Elastic Beanstalk? Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service that allows the developers to deploy and manage web applications without needing to configure infrastructure. It simplifies the process by handling the environment setup automatically. This makes it ideal for teams that want to focus on writing code rather than managing the servers. The Elastic Beanstalk supports a wide range of programming languages and platforms such as Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker. Provides flexibility for developers to use the technology stack with they are mostly comfortable with. Offers pre-configured environments for supported platforms, which helps reduce setup and configuration time. Automatically handles provision AWS resources like EC2 instances, security group, and databases automatically based on application requirements. Includes built-in load balancing to evenly distribute incoming traffic and ensures high availability of the application. Manages auto scaling and health monitoring to keep the application responsive and stable under varying loads. Architecture built on AWS services. Elastic Beanstalk runs on core AWS components like EC2, auto scaling, and ELB, which is called as load balancing and CloudWatch, to manage the application performance and availability. Environment structure: each Elastic Beanstalk environment includes both your application code and predefined platform like the Node.js, Linux, or .NET, and that supports your runtime. Configuration and customization: you can customize your environment using .xb extension and manage deployments with the Elastic Beanstalk CLI or EB-CLI for more control over provisioning and updates. Deployment workflow: upload code. So this is the workflow. How does the Elastic Beanstalk actually works? Begin by packaging your application code into a zip file or connecting it to a source code repository. You can upload it directly through the AWS Management Console. Use the Elastic Beanstalk or integration with the CI/CD pipelines for automated deployment. These steps initiates the deployment process. Select environment. Choose the appropriate runtime platform that matches your application. During the setup, you can also configure environment details like EC2 instance type, load balancer type, scaling policies, and environment variables. This ensures your application runs in the correct and designated environment setup. Beanstalk handles provisioning. Once the configuration is complete, Elastic Beanstalk automatically creates and configures all required AWS resources. This includes launching EC2 instances, attaching Elastic Beanstalk balancer, and setting up auto scaling and creating security groups. It subtracts away the manual setup of the infrastructure. Monitor and manage. After the deployment, you can monitor the health and performance of your application using the AWS console or EB-CLI. You can view logs, check metrics via CloudWatch, scale your applications, and deploy updates seamlessly. Elastic Beanstalk also provides rolling deployment and blue-green deployment options for the safer updates. So these are some key features of the Elastic Beanstalk. Environment cloning: easily duplicate an existing Elastic Beanstalk environment to create a new one with the same configuration. This helps in testing or scaling without starting from the scratch. Rolling updates and blue-green deployments: updates your application with zero downtime by deploying changes gradually or by switching traffic between two separate environments, ensuring safe and smooth releases. Built-in monitoring and with the CloudWatch: Elastic Beanstalk integrates with Amazon CloudWatch to provide real-time metrics, logs, and alarms for your applications, helping you to track performance and troubleshoot issues quickly. Easily integration with other AWS services: seamlessly it connect with your application with AWS services like RDS, database, and S3 storage, which is and IAM for the security and the access management, and other to build fully featured applications. Use cases. Elastic Beanstalk is designed to simplify application deployment and management, making it suitable for various scenarios. Whether you are a startup aiming to launch quickly, a developer wanting to focus on coding, or building complex multi-tier applications, or else Elastic Beanstalk provides an efficient solutions. So these are some of the common use cases of the Elastic Beanstalk. Startup launching quickly, the developers focus on which are focusing on the code, not for the infrastructure. Multi-tier web applications. Startup launching quickly. Startups often need to bring products to market fast without investing heavily in the infrastructure. Startup or DevOps expertise. Elastic Beanstalk automates provisioning and management, allowing startup to deploy management rapidly and scale as they grow. So developers focus on code, not on the infrastructure. Managing servers, load balancers, and scaling policies can be time consuming and distracting. Elastic Beanstalk abstracts this operational tasks so developers can concentrate on what writing and improving their application features without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Multi-tier web applications. Many modern applications consist of multiple layers such as front-end web servers, back-end application logic, and databases. Elastic Beanstalk support this multi-tier architecture by managing each layer's resources conceivably, making deployment scaling simpler and more reliable. Thank you so much.